Okay, now that you've learned how to draw cones, cylinders, and spheres, the one form that I didn't show you how to draw would be like a cube, a perfect cube, or a rectangular prism. Perhaps this box is a rectangular prism, or this Jenga piece is a rectangular prism, so box shape. So in order to do that, earlier on Google Classroom, you will have learned what a vanishing point is, a horizon line, and so forth. So I'm going to do a little demo on how to draw some boxes. So after you reading the definitions of what perspective drawing is and horizon line and vanishing point, the first thing we need to do to put in our drawing is our horizon line, where our eye level is. So you can see this is going to be my drawing here. I can put my horizon line anywhere, depending on where you're standing looking at something. You have stuff above your eye level, stuff below. We're going to put it right about in the middle. Okay, so this is going to be just a light line. It's kind of an imaginary line. You don't really see horizon lines when you look around, but it's where your eye level is. And then somewhere on that line is going to be the point where things look like they vanish. It's called the vanishing point. I'm going to put mine in the middle, but it could be anywhere on this line. It just means your objects are going to look different depending on where your vanishing point is. Okay, and we're going to draw three objects actually. We're going to draw one below our eye level, below our horizon line, one above it, and one right on it. So imagine if you have one of these rectangular prisms, or we'll do this one. Okay, so when you look at it down below the eye level, okay, you're going to see different parts of it. You see different parts when it's above. This one here. Okay, so when you look at this, do you see maybe more of the top, front, and side? When you get it on your eye level, maybe you only see the front and the side. When you get it above, I don't know if I can get it above my screen there. If you get above your eye level, maybe you'll see some more of the top of it. Okay, just all depending on the position of the box that you're drawing. Okay, the first thing we're going to draw is what we call the face or the front. So if you look at the front of this would be the front if I hold it this way. This would be the front if I hold it this way. Okay, or this would be the front if I hold it this way. Okay, it just depends on what the front looks like. It's going to be either a square or rectangle, depending on a perfect cube or rectangular prism. I'm going to draw just a kind of a square shape down here, maybe about 1.5 inches on each side. Okay, so that's going to be the front of a cube because I'm going to make it all equal. So that's what the front of it. Now, as it goes back in the distance and you're looking at it, the back's going to look slightly smaller. So we're going to use the vanishing point to do that. So I'm going to take the top of this, line it up with the point, and I'm going to draw lightly because some of this will get erased. I'm going to take this, take it to the point. That one's a little crooked. And I'll take this one. So 3 nice, perfectly straight lines going right to the vanishing point. Now it almost looks 3D, if you can hopefully see that. Okay, but I don't want it to look like a giant wooden post coming out of the middle of my paper. I want it to look like a cube. So what I have to visualize is this right here. That is a perfect right angle. So if the front of my box has a right angle, the back has to have a right angle. Okay, so the easiest thing I had to do is figure out how wide I want the sides, and I'm going to make a right angle. So if this is straight, this has to be straight, and then from here it goes straight down. From there I go straight down. Okay, that is what we call a box in one-point perspective. We use one vanishing point. I'm going to erase all this extra stuff, and hopefully you can see how it looks like a 3D box. Below our eye level. Here's our eye level, that's below. Now we're going to draw one above our eye level. This time I'm going to draw a rectangle instead of a square. It's going to be a rectangular prism when I'm all done. Okay, try to get as even. Use your rulers. So nice straight lines. Then I'm going to take the corners that I can of this. We're going to pretend they're made of wood, just like my rectangular Jenga piece is made of wood. I can't see through it. So this corner will go down to the vanishing point. Notice this time I'm not drawing the whole way. I'm lined up with the point, but I'm stopping so I don't have a whole bunch of erasing to do. This corner will go, okay, but I can't take that one because I'm not going to see it. It's underneath my wooden piece of wooden rectangular prism. Then, same thing, right angle, straight up and down there. You decide how thick you want your sides, and perfectly straight across there. So I have a little bit of erasing to do, and now I have a box above my eye level. Okay, The last one I'm going to show you is how to draw a box on your eye level. So when you have a box on your eye level, you're only going to see the front and the side. You're not going to see the top, and you're not going to see the bottom. So somewhere on my eye level, I'm going to draw a box. I'm just going to draw one right here, kind of small. Maybe I'll make it a rectangle. Now, I only have 2 corners to take to my vantage point. These 2 I'm not going to be able to take because I'm not going to see through my box. So then that goes to the vanishing point. This goes to the vanishing point. Then all I have to draw is a vertical line here to end it. Okay? And erase the excess. Now I'm not going to see my horizon line through the middle. So now you should hopefully see 3 boxes that look 3D, because they look like if they went back in the distance, they would disappear at that point. Later on Google Classroom, you'll see some more examples of some finished boxes in the rest of your assignment. Thanks.